Ayingothembi lo. Thembi Tash. Madoda, izinja ze game. The most wanted in the community. The way bakufuna ngakhona ngane yabantu. Ngisho ubaleke nemali yabantu. Oh yeah, ubalekile.
Ewe ndiyayazi. Yiyo lonto ndilapha wethu. Ndifuna imali yokuhlawula aba bantu. Yo, aba bantu banifuna phansi phezulu, baqale nokundithakatha ndikuxelele. Bandenze ndalibala nocima neyitha. Indlu phansi yatsha yonke.
Yo, yabona ke le. Ibuya straight kugogo ka. Ayish awuthi ngatsho amagama in case uyangiva. But anyways, andukuthembi manthembi. Udume kabi. Udume ngonyamalala nemali zabantu wena. Awuthembakali tu nalapha kum. You are too much of a liability.
Hayi liability. Hayi kodwa ngiqoki nje iskrufu.
Uyabona wena. I'm sure buyile genge edume ngotshontsha ipenza abantu esikolweni ikhohlwe nokufunda. Mara ngitho kanjalo.
Ndoda, esisingesi sakho nawe. Kodwa jonga ndinecebo. Ndiyakwazi uyilungisa yonke lento le. Kunjangoku beditshilo moskuwe. Wethu indlu phansi yatsha. Kodwa ngenxa yokuba ndikrelekrele kakhulu, ndakwazi ukucima lo mlilo ngaphambi kokuthi kutshe yonke into. Kutshe nje qha isofa yabona.
So
ke ndiye ndakhumbula man, hayi man Thembi man. Unayo insurance. Futhi insurance yomlilo ifika pha ku 40,000, isofa yi12,000. Lonto mos ithethe uba ndine change ye28,000. Ke ngoku ndiyakwazi ubabhatala bonke aba bantu bandithakathayo ukuze bahlukane nami. Ne-change leshekayo ndawubhatala wena.
Wena ngathi ucimba insurance ifana ne-Candy Crush ne? Urongo ke sisi. Awubuke lapha.
Asicabange nge-home insurance kaso. It's like having a safety net over your house and everything that's inside it in case anything bad happens like umlilo or igebengu. Iphathi yokuqala is called building insurance. It is like a protector of your house's structure, the walls, the roof, etc. If yacha or a storm damages it, this insurance will help to pay to fix and rebuild it. The second part, lenibizwa nge-content insurance. This is for all the stuff that is inside your house like i-TV yako, sofa lako, or your fridge. If something gets stolen or burnt, this insurance will help replace them. Marakumbula, insurance only covers what you already own and only up to how much it's already worth. So if izinto zakho is worth 30,000 rand and something bad happens, that's the most you're gonna get, not more. Even if you have insurance for 50,000 rand. Remember, it's about making things right again, not giving you more than what you already had. Na itipingulu. If you take izinto ezintsha or you make changes to your house, it's important to tell your insurance people. That way, if you ever need to claim, they know exactly what needs covering. Keeping honest and up to date with them keeps you covered properly. Also, always check what events your insurance covers. For example, cover umlilo, cover ama events afana nama flood or theft. It's always about making sure that if bad things happen, you'll be able to fix or replace the items in your home without any worries.
Uyabona? Since couch iyo yodwa emoshakele, uzawufumana ukureplace couch and nothing more. And lokho kuzoxhomela kwipolicy or insurance yakho. Lo mali banokuyithumela straight apho uzakuthenga khona i-couch entsha or bayithumele kuwe ukuze uthenge i-couch entsha.
Yo, kodwa yintoni izinto ezimbi zenzekela abantu abalungileyo njengami? Hayi man.
Wena abantu abalungileyo. Kwamna lonto ngimachonisa. Andikuthembi.
Yane. Hey hayi kumandi bani insurance. Yo thisa. Yo ayakumandi.
Thembi.
Hayi akekho uThembi. Ubhubhile akekho ubhubhile uThembi.
Thembi, I can hear it.
Hayi akekho uThembi ubhubhile sosolekile ufile. Sorry.